Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my classic horizontal happy planner, and that's a quick glimpse into last week where I used the butterflies and alcohol ink from According to Allie. And this week, since it is the first day of school for both of my kids on the 1st, I will be using the leftover stickers of the stationery from Create with Mandy, and I'll bring in some of her boho rainbows and terrazzo and probably use some of these. And I'm thinking now, actually, because I still have, you know what, I thought I could use some of this, but I don't think, well, maybe. We will see. All right, let's get started. So I really thought I could maybe incorporate some of the smaller details in here, but we will see. But I also kind of want to save some of it for my hemlock and oak should I need it for the week. So washi. I'm going to, the thing is, this kid, I mean, these stickers aren't really for the first day of school, but I mean, they're stationery. I love stationery. And saying that, just this afternoon I was labeling all of Henry's school supplies, and now that I have a silhouette maker, there is something so satisfying about labeling his items with stickers that I've made myself. And then all of the pencil crayons that are labeled all have the same, you know, they're all the same. There's just, nothing can beat that. Okay, and then pens. I feel like I need to space this out better, actually. I'm gonna put this here because this is the actual first day of school. So I'll put pens here, maybe, excuse me, a little bit of this Wild Oat Bow washi, and just do this, and add a little matching terrazzo. But I also want, this is going to be a little bit much. Like, how cute is that? How cute. And I know I skipped Tuesday, but I have a plan for that. I'm going to use rainbows on every other day to kind of balance things out here. And for this one, I feel like I'm gonna add one of these, although it's kind of going in the wrong direction, and add a terrazzo. I feel like the terrazzo just adds a little extra something. Then I'm gonna do rainbow down here as well. These rainbows are so cute, and Mandy's done such a great job with the illustration of these. I commend anyone who can draw. Like, I am a poor drawer. I'm not great with drawing. I can brush letter, but drawing is it just escapes me. Ooh, love that. Then I'm gonna put the scissors down here at the bottom, and then these kind of in a cluster around here with the eraser, and then I'm going to add this here. And then that's a sticker sheet finish. There's always something so satisfying about finishing a sticker sheet. Then I will add a blue rainbow, actually no, this heart rainbow up on Friday. And then I will add this rainbow with the fringe on Sunday. And then I'm gonna add little rainbows where I can. This one I won't add any washi to, but these I definitely want to add some washi. Ooh, that one's coming apart. That's weird. Look at that. Oh, I must have had like a row of 2. Strange. There we go. And then I'll add a little bit of terrazzo to that one. Then this one I will use the wild oak bow because the colors seem to work better with that one. And add this one. Gosh, really simple. Very, very simple spread. But I feel like a quote is definitely needed here. I just don't know what. I have somewhere, my desk is like a huge mess right now, and I know I have a kindness sticker somewhere. Oh my god. Oh, there. Oh no, that's not it. Okay. Let's just, is this the one I want to use? No, this is what I had for that one. Will this work? Found this blue. I feel like it's going to be a bit too much. So I'm going to try this and just letter new beginnings. So I'll do beginnings in this. And then I'm going to add a little bit of shadow. All right, very simple, but that's what my journal spread normally is. It's very simple. I do feel like I need washi down there though. Like this washi, I don't know what happened here. Oh, it ripped. So I'm gonna have to, yeah, it ripped there. So I'm gonna add just a little bit to the corner and then add some of that wild oak bow on top. Don't know what happened to that washi and why it ripped. Oh well. Okay. Perfect. Now I feel like I am done. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.